Alright guys, we're going to do a simple cook today. So I'm going to do a breakfast sandwich, kind of like a deviled egg sandwich. I've got some sausage already on, got that started. This is actually just some frozen sausage crumbles that you can find by like Jimmy Dean. So I've got that on here as the griddle's warming up. I threw that on there. My wife just wants an egg, so we're just going to do an egg for her. Oh, let me get my oil. That's the only thing I forgot. Let's go grab it in here. Get oil and water. Oh, and that thing's going to be coming up soon. Alright, get a little oil on there. And we're going to go ahead and get I'll get the mayo going. So we're going to put a little bit of mustard on that, and mustard on another one. Alright, then we're going to use mayo on this guy. Let's put those together. And mayo on this guy. Do the same on that. Alright, and now we're gonna just mix them together. And then that goes right in there. Go. Get those working. We'll do some eggs. Alright. See what we're working with here. My wife just wants an egg, so we're just going to make her a couple. There we go. Alright, so while those eggs are cooking real quick, we got our bread going. Sausage is going well. Now mine, I like to break the yolks because I'm going to put mine into a sandwich, and I don't really feel like getting a ton of egg yolk all over me. So I like to kind of marry those together a little bit. I'm going to try some hatch chili and cheddar on these. So go ahead and throw that in there. My wife will just do salt, pepper in the house. But this stuff is really good. If you've never had the hatch chili and cheddar, find it. It's a great Blackstone item. Alright, let's check our bread. Yeah, some needs to get going. Oh yeah, that one's getting there. That one's not far away. Keep cooking. Alright, the sausage is just about ready. Alright, so I'm going to flip over our egg. Alright, and then we're going to take some cheese. This one is a medium white cheddar. Tillamook makes some great cheese. I'm going to throw that on mine. Again, cheese doesn't like cheese. Throw that guy on there. Yeah. Alright, so with hers, she's almost done. She likes hers like over medium. That's about where they are. If you ever wonder like where an egg is, like if you look at the top when it's jiggly, that's kind of like you can tell with your spatula kind of where it's at. So is that yellow right now? See how it's still really jiggly? So that's like an over easy right now. And then as it starts to get wider going up and it gets less jiggly, that's when you know it's going to be about over medium. So those are almost done where she likes them. Go ahead and pop those guys off. Stick them into her. Alright. Now we get to have a little more fun. Let's check our bread again. Oh, that's almost done. That's almost done. Alright. So we're going to flip these guys over. Beautiful. Gonna go ahead and take this guy. Let's cut him in half. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna salvage this. That's alright. Okay, we're gonna take the sausage and let's stick it right in the cheese. And this one. There we go. Alright, this one was cut in thirds just because. Could use sausage patties, it's just what I had, so decided I want to do some sausage in it. I got two I made slightly different. This one's more of like just a garbage mess. Look at that thing, it's gonna be great. And then this stuff just goes on plate. Alright, let's take that guy. Ooh, that's hot. Hold on. Oh yeah, look at that thing. That looks amazing. Ah. Alright, a little bit of a mess, but this is going to be delicious. Pour some hollandaise over that. That would be amazing. Deviled egg breakfast sandwich.